Dad, I told you, baby, you're a firework.
Stop.
Hey,
Stop
hey,
it.
listen.
Stop it.
No, I'm gonna say
Get out now.
Do
Give
you
me
want
my
to have a slumber
pillow.
party
Give me my
in
pillow.
my basement?
I'm not going. I'm not going to the basement. I'm not going to the basement. Give me my pillow. Okay, well, take my pillow and go outside. Go. Go now. Go! Don't!
Climactic part of the song's coming up again. It's coming back.
Stop it!
Cause baby, come on.
Get away!
Okay, I'm sorry. Seriously?
Go on!
No,
You go on!
Seriously? Come on.
Go on!
Brenda.
Get away! Nathan, go on! Go out! Go outside!
I'm gonna let you get decent, and then Ben knows how to kick doors.